Hello, welcome to our tutorial on Text Marquee widget. Are you finding it challenging to attract the attention of your customers over a particular area in your mobile app? Be it promotions, sales, or other updates, you can use a text slider to gain the attention of your customers. So, how can you achieve this in Swipecart? The Text Marquee widget is the magic tool that you need to gain the attention of your audience. On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon on your current design. In the Widget panel drop-down, select Text Marquee widget. Now, drag and drop the Text Marquee widget to the Design section. Hover over the Text Marquee block and select Add/Edit Content. In the Add/Edit Content window, enter the content that you want to display in the Marquee text field. We also have the provisions to link the text marquee to a product, collection, page, or an external URL. For that, enable the internal linking checkbox first. Next, select the desired page you want your customers to redirect when they click the text marquee. Click Save. If you do not wish to add any link and the text is just for information purposes, enter the marquee text and uncheck the internal linking checkbox. Click Save. Your text marquee is added to the design. Now, let's customize it. Hover over the block and click Edit Style. You can see a preview of the customizations you make on this mobile screen. Here, you can alter the padding. Click the Expand icon to adjust the top and bottom padding for the text marquee box. Now, click the Marquee Settings section. Here, you can change the font size, letter spacing, background color, font color, and marquee speed. If you want to display the text marquee in the reverse direction, enable the reverse direction toggle. Click Save. To make a copy of this block, select Copy Block. Now, go to the block where you want to paste it. Select Paste Block. You can also delete this block. It is removed from the Design section. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to see the text marquee widget, select Preview to view it on a mobile device. You also have the option to see it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the widget on your mobile store. If you have any issues or queries, contact our support team. Thank you for watching.